A healthy body isn't built in one moment. It's built softly, breath by breath, stretch by stretch. Today, as you join Peggy on the mat, imagine your body as a garden waiting to grow strong and bright. Each pose will water a different part of that garden: your heart, your spine, your legs, your focus. This session is for children, families, and anyone wanting to feel full of energy and joy again. Take a deep breath, sit tall, and feel your body come alive. 1. Easy pose. We begin where health truly starts: stillness. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and listen to the sound of your breath. Imagine your spine growing like a tall tree. Your body prepares to heal itself the moment you become calm. 2. Neck rolls. Slowly roll your head side to side. Each circle releases the weight of things you carried today. A healthy life means letting go of strain before it becomes pain. 3. Shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders up to your ears. Then drop them gently. Feel the tension melting. Strong bodies aren't always stiff. They are relaxed, ready, and open. 4. Cat-cow pose. Now come on all fours. Arch your spine like a curious cat. Then drop it gently like a calm cow. This movement massages your back, helping your spine grow flexible and supportive like the trunk of a tree. 5. Child's pose. Sit back on your heels and stretch forward. This is your pause. Even the healthiest bodies need rest. Breathe into the floor and let your energy recharge. 6. Cobra Pose. Slide forward and lift your chest. Like the sun rising in the morning sky, feel your heart lifting with strength. A healthy body carries confidence, not in loudness, but in posture. 7. Downward dog. Push back gently into an upside-down V. Press your heels toward the mat. Imagine you are stretching your body after a long sleep. Strong legs come from movement, not force. 8. Mountain pose. Stand tall. Feet rooted. Head lifted. You are the mountain, steady, powerful, yet calm. A healthy life begins with balance. 9. Forward fold. Bend slowly forward, letting your arms hang. Health also means allowing gravity to help you. Relax. Your spine lengthens. Your hamstrings soften. 10. Chair pose. Bend your knees. Arms lifted forward. Feel your thighs work hard. Health is built in moments like this. Challenging, but short. Breathe in strength. 11. Warrior Eye. Step 1 foot back. Arms rise like wings. Imagine yourself fearless. A healthy body stands strong in the face of doubt. 12. Warrior 2. Open your arms and gaze ahead. This pose teaches direction. Healthy bodies move with purpose. 13. Triangle pose. Extend your arm toward the sky. Stretch sideways gently. A healthy life is not just up and down. It expands outward, becoming better each day. 14. Tree pose. Stand on one leg. Place your foot on your inner thigh. Find your balance. Health is not perfection. It is steady even when life wobbles. 15. Seated forward bend. Sit and gently reach toward your toes. Don't push. Simply allow your body to open. Healthy. Growth is quiet, patient. 16. Butterfly pose. Bring your feet together and flap your knees like wings. This pose opens your hips and fills you with lightness. Reminding you that movement can be playful too. 17. Bridge pose. Lie down and lift your hips up. Let your heart face the sky. A healthy body has a strong core supporting you from within. 18. Knees to chest pose. Hug your knees. This pose feels like giving your body a gentle thank you for carrying you all day. Gratitude is healing. 19. Reclined spinal twist. Let your knees fall to one side as you look to the other. Twist slowly. Healthy bodies flow like rivers. not rigid paths. 20. Corpse pose. Lie completely still. Let the floor hold you. Health is not just about movement. It's found in peaceful endings too. Imagine your breath planting seeds of strength inside you. Tomorrow, you'll wake taller, calmer, healthier. Take a final deep breath. Wiggle your fingers. Open your eyes gently. Your body did something beautiful today. A healthy life doesn't begin in a hospital or a gym. It begins right here, with a mat, a breath, and the decision to care for yourself. If this session helped you feel alive, balanced, and strong, tap like, share it with someone you love, and subscribe for more Yoga with Peggy. Tell us in the comments which pose made you feel the healthiest today, because every small stretch can become the beginning of a beautiful transformation.